Looking for an all-inclusive Caribbean paradise that delivers on luxury without breaking the bank? Let me tell you about Hotel Riu Palace Bavaro, a five-star resort that has been making waves on the pristine shores of Playa Bavaro in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. This isn't just another beach resort. It's a carefully crafted experience that caters to everyone from families with energetic kids to couples seeking a romantic getaway. After diving deep into guest reviews, facility details, and recent updates, I'm here to give you the complete picture of what makes this place tick, and more importantly, whether it deserves a spot on your vacation wishlist. The accommodation options at Hotel Riu Palace Bavaro are where this resort really starts to show its versatility. Starting with the standard rooms, you're looking at a generous 430 square feet of modern comfort, complete with either king or twin beds depending on your preference. These rooms aren't just about sleeping. They feature private balconies or terraces that offer either garden views or partial sea views, and trust me, waking up to those tropical vistas never gets old. The amenities list reads like a luxury checklist: air conditioning that actually works, a well-stocked minibar, electronic safe, flat-screen TV, coffee maker, hairdryer, plush bathrobes, and quality toiletries. What sets these apart is the direct access to pool and beach areas, meaning you can literally roll out of bed and into paradise. For those wanting to step up their game, the junior suites expand to 538 square feet and add a separate living area with a sofa bed, upgraded minibar selections, and luxury bath products that make you feel like royalty. The real showstopper, though, is the family suite, a massive 861 square feet spread across two connecting rooms, perfect for families who want space without sacrificing togetherness. And here's something interesting. They've created premium rooms in an adults-only section for those seeking a quieter, more sophisticated atmosphere. These come with exclusive lounge access and premium amenities, proving that this resort really does think of everyone. Now let's talk about the food situation, because let's be honest, resort dining can make or break a vacation. Hotel Riu Palace Bavaro takes this seriously with 5 distinct restaurants that go way beyond your typical buffet experience. La Palapa serves as the main international buffet, and with a capacity of 400 people, it's designed to handle crowds without feeling chaotic. The seafood selection here is particularly impressive, with fresh catches prepared multiple ways, alongside grilled meats and authentic local Dominican specialties that give you a real taste of the island. La Hacienda brings the fiesta with authentic Mexican and Latin American cuisine. We're talking proper tacos, fresh ceviche, perfectly grilled meats, and margaritas that pack just the right punch. The themed taco nights and salsa evenings add an extra layer of fun that guests consistently rave about. La Piazzetta delivers on Italian comfort food with handmade pasta, wood-fired pizza, creamy risottos, and tiramisu that melts in your mouth. They even offer pasta-making classes, which is a brilliant touch for those wanting to take a piece of Italy home with them. For something more upscale, La Brasserie offers French and international cuisine with perfectly prepared steaks, fresh seafood, and pastries that rival any Parisian bakery. The wine-pairing dinners here are particularly special, creating an elevated dining experience that justifies the smart casual dress code. Finally, La Serena focuses entirely on seafood, offering everything from lobster to fresh fish and multiple varieties of ceviche, all served in a nautical-themed setting right by the ocean. The bar scene is equally impressive, with 4 distinct venues ranging from the sophisticated piano bar with live music to the fun pool bar, where you can literally swim up for your tropical drinks without leaving the water. The pool and beach facilities at this resort are nothing short of spectacular, and this is where Hotel Riu Palace Bavaro really shows why location matters. With 4 pools strategically placed throughout the property, there's something for every mood and age group. The 2 main pools measure an impressive 82 by 40 feet each, providing plenty of space for swimming laps or just floating around with a cocktail in hand. The adults-only pool offers a more serene 65 by 33 feet of tranquility, perfect for those seeking a quieter aquatic experience. Parents will appreciate the dedicated kids pool, measuring 33 by 26 feet and designed with safety and fun in mind. But here's what makes these pools special: the swim-up bars, water slides, and constant poolside service that means you never have to leave your lounger for refreshments. The pools operate from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. seasonally, with professional staff providing towel service, snacks, and drinks throughout the day. Now about that beach, this is where the resort's location on Playa Bavaro really pays dividends. We're talking about 500 meters of private white sandy beachfront with calm turquoise waters that look like they've been photoshopped but are completely real. The water sports selection is impressive: kayaking for peaceful exploration, paddleboarding for those wanting a bit of a workout, snorkeling to discover the underwater world, and windsurfing for the more adventurous souls. The beach service includes comfortable sun loungers, large umbrellas for shade, towel service, and a dedicated beach bar, so you literally never need to leave this slice of paradise once you've claimed your spot. When it comes to activities, this resort understands that a great vacation needs options beyond just lounging by the water. The fitness center is surprisingly well equipped with modern cardio machines, a full range of weights, resistance training equipment, and yoga mats for those who want to maintain their routine or try something new. The daily group classes are where things get interesting, morning yoga sessions that start your day with Zen, energetic Zumba classes that get your blood pumping, and aerobic sessions that are actually fun rather than feeling like punishment. Personal training is available for those wanting customized workouts or learning proper techniques. The resort's entertainment schedule reads like a festival lineup, live Caribbean music that gets your hips moving, Latin dance shows that showcase incredible talent, international acts that provide variety, and pool parties that create memories you'll be talking about for years. The weekly themed nights add an extra layer of excitement, with different cultural celebrations and special events that keep each day feeling fresh and unique. Seasonal events during holidays and special themed weeks throughout the year ensure that return visitors always have something new to experience. The activities staff deserves special mention here. They're enthusiastic without being pushy, skilled at getting shy guests involved, and genuinely seem to love what they do, which makes all the difference in creating an engaging atmosphere. The spa and wellness offerings at Hotel Riu Palace Bavaro elevate this from a simple beach resort to a true wellness destination. The treatment menu reads like a love letter to Caribbean relaxation, with the signature Caribbean coconut massage being an absolute must-try experience that combines local ingredients with expert techniques. The tropical fruit facial uses fresh, local ingredients that leave your skin glowing with that healthy vacation radiance. The facility itself includes a proper sauna for deep muscle relaxation, a steam room that opens your pores and clears your mind, a dedicated relaxation area where time seems to stand still, and a hydrotherapy pool that provides therapeutic benefits while feeling like pure luxury. Operating from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. daily, the spa accommodates different schedules whether you prefer morning treatments to start your day, refreshed, or evening sessions to unwind after a day of activities. The booking process is straightforward. You can arrange treatments on-site or through the hotel app, though advanced booking is definitely recommended, especially during peak season. What sets this spa apart is the integration of local Dominican wellness traditions with modern techniques, creating treatments that feel authentically connected to the destination while meeting international luxury standards. The therapists are professionally trained and genuinely skilled at reading what each guest needs, whether that's deep tissue work to release travel tension or gentle relaxation to enhance the vacation mindset. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.